Good afternoon, hot rodders and rodettes. Today I'm going to show you how to build one of my vacuum leak detectors. It's saved me a ton of time and trouble with multiple vehicles here lately. Had a little vacuum leak on the Ranger, didn't know about it. Multiple in the Torino. So stick around, I'll show you how to make it. So everything you need you can find at the hardware store. This is just a flange base, cap, and then you just get a plug to go on top of it, a couple air hose fittings. Let's open it up. Inside just a couple bolts, some stainless steel wire, just a tiki torch wick, and you fill it with baby oil or mineral oil. You have one connector to your air compressor, and the other side just goes to your vacuum line that you're going to be testing. No glue required really. You can go ahead and glue that to the base. Then what you do is go to your battery, the hot and negative, and that makes a current through here. You see, it works. A little bit of pressure goes a long way. You can see just how much smoke this thing puts out. Let's get her hooked up. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully something good came from it. Drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think.